Hi. Welcome to the Car View channel. Please subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thank you. Renault-owned Romanian manufacturer Dacia has whipped the covers off its latest creation, with the 2022 Dacia Jogger designed to bridge the gap between SUVs, people movers and wagons. The 7-seat, 3-row wagon was revealed online ahead of its world premiere at the 2021 Munich Motor Show. Dacia says versatility is key with the Jogger. It blends the length of a wagon, the spaciousness of an MPV, people mover, and the looks and capability of an SUV. It's the longest car ever built by Dacia and is based on a stretched version of the CMF-B platform, which already underpins the Sandero small hatch, Sandero Stepway crossover, and Logan sedan, along with various models from Renault and Nissan. Dacia says the Jogger will initially come with the choice of a 1.0-liter 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine outputting 81 kW/190 Nm, or a petrol/LPG bi-fuel combination. Both engines are mated to a 6-speed manual transmission and power the front wheels. A third hybrid powertrain is promised in 2023, with the Jogger to feature the first hybrid drivetrain of any Dacia product. Visually, the Jogger is familiar to the Sandero up front, featuring the brand's Y-shaped light signatures. The design begins to change behind the front doors, which is best viewed from the profile. The Jogger's roofline is extended all the way to the rearmost point of the car, with large overhangs behind the rear wheels and an expansive glasshouse for third-row passengers. According to Dacia, the Jogger can cater up to 7 adults, while the seats can be arranged in various configurations. Boot space is rated at 708 liters behind the second row, with a maximum loading capacity of 18-19 liters. Aligning with Dacia's budget positioning, the Jogger gets 3 types of infotainment systems based on buyers' preferences. From a glorified smartphone holder to an integrated 8.0-inch touchscreen, the top-level media nav system incorporates satellite navigation, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, 6 speakers, and 2 USB ports. Safety kit includes autonomous emergency braking, blind spot warning, park assist, hill start assist, cruise control, and 6 airbags. Order books for the 2022 Dacia Jogger in European markets are scheduled to open in November 2021, while deliveries will begin in February 2022. Talk earlier this year placed the possibility of Dacia offering cars in Australia from 2022, though no firm plans have been revealed as yet.